Hello, Raha. Nice to see you here. Welcome.
I appreciate it. I'm really happy to come to this podcast.
Okay, thank you. So, today we are going to talk about science and technology. I want to start from this question. What is the relationship between science and technology?
The relationship between science and technology are complex and varied.
So, we can direct together?
Yes, we can direct science as a source of a new technological idea.
So, what are the ideas comes from? Science, logics?
The discovery of uranium led to concepting reaction chain of atomic bomb.
Yes, that's right.
Diagenetic relationships like IV group for semiconductor.
What if you lead engineering to design?
By engineering science, there are a lot of instrumentation technologies, especially in private industry.
Can relate to human skills?
That will help them tackle the technological problems that they later faced as C. Rosenberg 1990 and Pavet 1991.
Planning of the most efficient strategy, technological, can be developed and can be assessed.
Of course, the background of science is important for the people who know the field of relevant for developed country and environmental care. Thank you.
Thank you for watching the video. We shared some information about science and technology. Hope you enjoy.